We're on the OKUMA stand, but this is about Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence. Alexander, tell me what you've got in the machine.
Yeah, on the machine side we do some measurements on the part, on the gear measurement special for this machine because it's a Multus B250, and the special is we have skiving on this machine. So we mill the part, so we're skiving, and after that we measure directly on the machine. So we don't take the part out, the CMM, so we measure directly on the machine. We get the same report like a CMM machine, because in the background, so we generate a program in Windows. It's a software for CMM machines, and then we put it in the machine on the control side and start the program running, and we get the result. So, and we know very fast and right now what kind of part we have is finished, or maybe we have to do something for get the better quality. And if we agree, we say yes, it's okay, so we can take it out and put a new one.
Okay, so rather than skiving the component,
yes,
taking out and measuring it, you're doing it all in the machine.
Yes.
So if there is a problem, you can just machine it again.
Yes, right, you're right, yeah, exactly this.
So making it a lot easier and a lot quicker for engineers out there.
Yeah, for sure, because you save the time, you save the material, the machine time, the people, so the human, so you save money.
Oh, excellent.
And on the day you save money.
Yeah, that's it. Music to engineers is saving a bit of money.
Yeah.